Hello, today I would like to talk about the mockingbird. I witnessed June 30th, 2025, a mockingbird fly away with a bluish egg in its beak. In the video, it left a bush and it was pursued by two other mockingbirds. I was doing some research, and the mockingbirds do not devour each other's eggs, and they do not move their eggs to a different nest. And for you all doing research about the bird, this is what I witnessed today in Orlando, Florida. For your record, I did see a mockingbird flee a nest with a bluish egg within its beak. Thank you.